Hello guys. So welcome to this video. That is my first video in Facebook. And if I introduce myself, I'm a Google Ad expert, and I'm working more than 2 years in this field. And I'm working already more than 400 plus client, satisfied client with overall uh, 4.5 rating. And you can see in here the project. This is for audit optimizations. I get it because they are running ads and long times they are not audit optimization, so that's why their performance is too low. And you can see in here this cost, how much they spend in. Okay, so forget it about this. So I help businesses to grow by Google Ads. I'm especially working in Google Ads, not others. And I help businesses to understand the pain point, understand their problems, their website weakness, their what they should do. I mean, website structure. Because all times, if your landing page, I mean, your website, if it's not well optimized, not converting, I mean, never optimize, not the right place. The CTAs offer reviews, a lot of things is not in the right place. So that is the problems of the main of this. Uh, Lots of people say are not getting conversions or sales leads or calls. Okay, so I help businesses to this. Okay, so I'm not just running nets, I'm also audit optimization. So you can see in here, I that is another project, and this project is car curtains in Pakistan. And I run this. uh, I maintain this till now. So you can see in here last 7 days, uh, 104 purchase. Sometimes ago, one purchase is happening in here. So I help businesses to grow through Google Ads and analyze the pattern, how to scale, everything I provide them, what they need to do, what's are the main factor to grow. I'm just not running ads. I'm a scales, and I get those data and I analyze the data, what is working for them and what is not. So which is working, we are focused on them and we scales. Okay, we are not just running ads campaign which is not working, so we also testing A/B testings which is working. So business and Google Ads, everything. If you want to grow, want to more leads and calls, that is not happening on today. Okay, in here, lots of strategy, lots of things you need to maintain. So in this is my profile. I working in reference and marketplace. So recently I think that I need to be personal branding and share my content in Facebook, YouTube, Instagrams. So recently I started. I already working with 400 plus project, but recently I start this personal branding because lots of people need this, and for my getting work and building my personality, my face, personal branding. So that's why I focus to creating the content. Okay, so keep following this my profile, Facebook profile. And you can see, also see, this is my Facebook page. I also give the link in here. So in here, I am share all of the things what you need to grow your businesses. In here I'm share all of the things in free, so you can follow this and you get this obviously free. And you can also check this YouTube's. I never audit optimize it, so I start to share videos in here. So that is my short summarizations and my personal branding short reviews. So if you need any kinds of help about your ads, scaling your business, what you facing the problem, follow my pages and YouTube channels, LinkedIn. You will get definitely your problem solution. Or if you need any kind of help, face to face, one by one discussions, please book a calls or book a free consultation. Thank you so much. See you again. Tata, bye bye.